What's new in Navure 2.8.1? In this video, we will explore the latest features of Navure 2.8.1. Let's get started. Pairwise contingency tables. The new implementation of the contingency table procedure allows you to create all pairwise contingency tables of a factor against each of a collection of factors. Let's illustrate this using the Titanic data set in the test data repository. The table has 4 categorical columns: status, age, gender, and class, and 1 numerical column, count. This last column contains the frequency of each different combination of status, age, gender, and class. To create all the contingency tables with the state levels in the rows and the levels of each of the other factors in the columns, go to the Correlation tab and click the Contingency Table button. In the dialog box that appears, drag status into the Classifying Factors in Rows box and the rest of the factors into the Classifying Factors in Columns box. Since the data table is in collapsed form, we need to specify which column contains the frequencies. To do this, select Counts from the Frequency drop-down menu at the top right of the window. Finally, press the blue play button at the top left of the window. Then check the last items in the list of options labeled Pairwise Tables between row and column factors. Click on the OK button and wait for the results. As you can see, all pairwise tables have been created. Ordering levels in frequency and contingency tables. When creating frequency or contingency tables, the order of factor levels can significantly impact how results are presented. For example, with a factor like crop damage level, the logical ordering of levels would be no damage, minor, moderate, and severe. To ensure you get the order you want in the output, Navure implements a way to easily associate an ordering tag to the factor's levels. This feature was specifically designed for use with frequencies and contingency tables. Let's illustrate using the Titanic dataset. Imagine you want to get the contingency table of status levels in rows versus class levels in columns. Status has the levels alive and death, and class have the levels first, second, third, and crew. You want to ensure levels of status appears in the following order: death first and alive second. For class, the order you want is crew, first, second, and third. We have an already edited Titanic table where the status and crew categories have been modified to make the demonstration easier. To assign orders to categorical variables, we will append a tag to each category name consisting of the @ symbol followed by a number indicating its position. First, go to the Rows and Columns tab and click Edit Categories. This opens a dialog box. On the left, you'll see all your categorical variables. Select status if it isn't already chosen. Now, just check the death option in the right-hand list. You'll notice its name appears automatically in the new category field on the top of the dialog. Let's add the tag @1 and press Enter or the Apply Rename button. Let's do the same with alive and add the tag @2. Now we'll apply the same process to the class categories. You'll notice the order tags are already in place. Crew is tagged with 1, first class with 2, second class with 3, and third class with 4. Simply select class from the list to confirm these appear correctly in the editor. Once we are done editing category names, we can close the Edit Categories dialog. Let's go back to the Correlation tab and click the Contingency Tables button. Drag status into the Classifying Factors in Rows field and class into the Classifying Factors in Columns field. Select Counts from the Frequency drop-down menu and press the green play button. There are no special options to specify. When the results are displayed, you will see that the items are displayed in the rows and columns in the order you specified, and the tag has been removed. New box plot options. Box plots are specialized charts that require unique procedures for tasks common to other chart types. In version 2.8.1, We enhance their functionality by introducing a secondary y-axis, customizable label decimal places, and label rotation. Additionally, the opacity property is now supported for these charts. These are just some of the new features available in Navure 2.8. We hope these updates enhance your data analysis experience. Don't forget to update your software and explore these new tools. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. Thank you for your attention.